Here's how to turn off parental controls or screen time restrictions on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Screen Time. Now tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. This is where most parental control settings are managed on iPhone. If restrictions are enabled, simply turn off the toggle at the top. If a screen time passcode was set up, you'll need to enter that code first. Keep in mind, the screen time passcode is different from your normal iPhone lock screen password. Once entered, all parental controls and restrictions will be disabled automatically. You can also customize specific restrictions instead of turning everything off completely. For example, under content restrictions, you can allow unrestricted websites, apps, or purchases individually. If you forgot the screen time passcode, you may need the Apple ID that was originally used to set it up. After completing these steps, your iPhone should no longer have parental control restrictions active. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting tutorials.